Dr. Speed at Trophy Club Animal Hospital. Today's educational video is going to be over osteoarthritis in dogs. Osteoarthritis it's often overlooked in dogs as they're aging. People just think, oh, he's slowing down because he's getting older. So I want to give you some tips and signs to look for arthritis, and then just a huge gamut of things that you can do to help your pet. So signs that your dog has arthritis or should be assessed is limping after walks, lagging behind on walks or on leash walks, exercise, that kind of thing, being slow to rise, difficulty jumping in and out of the vehicle, feeling stiff, and then obviously difficulty with stairs. So these dogs also tend to be a little more grumpy with time. So those are signs to bring your dog to the vet, have them assessed, and we can kind of let you know whether or not arthritis is playing a role, if there's some larger injury or something like that. Arthritis has a huge gamut of things that you can do for these pets. Unfortunately, it is a progressive disease, and so there's a ton of things that we can do to help slow that progression and also keep your pets comfortable. So some of the more common things are your joint supplements. Movaflex here is an eggshell membrane technology, and Movaflex is for small, medium, or large dogs. It's a meat-like chew, although it's safe for dogs with food allergies. So it's broken down to where it can be given to dogs with food allergies. And it's a chew once daily for the dogs, and it helps lubricate their joints. So very kind of safe supplement for your pet. Another option is your joint diet. Here at Trophy Club Animal Hospital, we've seen most success with Hill's joint diet. This diet's focus is super high in fatty acids, and so those fatty acids not only act as a lubricant for the joints, but also are a great antioxidant for your pet. And this is balanced nutrition. So say you have a young healthy dog, or you're worried about hip disease, or you run with your dog, this is a really great balanced diet for your pet. And it also has the Struvite oxalate shield, so it's good for pets with urinary issues. Other things that we do for dogs with arthritis, so there's two kind of mainstays for pain control. I'm not talking about anti-inflammatories yet. Pain control, we have tramadol and gabapentin. Gabapentin actually blocks nerve pain, and then tramadol provides some form of euphoria, so it attacks serotonin in the body. And then a really good form of pain control for dogs with arthritis is an anti-inflammatory. Carprofen is just one example of anti-inflammatories, also known as Rimadyl. We have meloxicam, Galliprant, and some other options. Certainly the doctor that assesses your pet will help determine what's necessary. Dogs with arthritis do not require all of these things at once. We typically start in a stepwise fashion, so supplements to begin, and then if there's some acute injury or pain control, then we use those as needed. Kind of a step up as far as arthritis and progression is we proceed on to your glycosaminoglycan injections, so Adequin or Chondroprotect. And what these do is they help lubricate the joints as well. So these are injections that occur initially, they're boosted twice a week for 2 weeks, once a week, and then they kind of stabilize out to once a month ultimately. We do have clients who like to give these injections at home because sometimes our arthritic friends are very big and difficult to get in the car. And we're happy to teach you how to do that should your pet get to this progression and need this form of therapy. One other thing that we offer here at Trophy Club Animal Hospital is acupuncture and massage. So we have a doctor that comes here on weekends and occasionally does acupuncture therapy for these dogs. We have seen huge success with acupuncture in these patients. We have patients who don't want to go for walks, that are walking, bouncing, playing, that sort of thing. Acupuncture doesn't replace other modalities, but certainly helps these pets keep comfortable. If you have more questions, reach out to us. Happy Wednesday.